Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am actually preparing now to go to New York with my friend Ethan. So let's explore New York together. So I'm about to leave and this is gonna be my outfit. I'm gonna show you. So it's like this. Good. The Jordan ones. And I'm also bringing some clothes to do an Instagram photo for that. My tote bag, mask, and yeah, I'm probably gonna go to the bus stop now. And so we're on the bus right now. It's probably gonna take around 30 minutes to be in New York. Also, I noticed that the seats are all new, rich. It's so hot in here. So at Damrush Park. We're at Central Park right now. Look at all the birds.
Are we at Central Park? Are we at Central Park?
I think we are. So we're at Central Park right now.
Yo, I have like swamp ass. Hold up.
And we're going to do a picnic. Not really, because I'm not eating anything.
Look, hydrate. Smart water sponsor.
Wow, a commercial. Was so good.
That's it.
And yeah, I'm probably gonna be chilling here and let's see what we're gonna do later. Okay, interview time.
Who is that?
So we're taking the subway right now. It's just so funny that someone stopped us and took us a picture. So hopefully we see that on Instagram. Basically he does is he makes poems out of it. So we're at Broadway Columbus Circle. We're probably gonna go to Bryant Park.
It's so hot.
Outfit check.
Outfit check. Outfit check.
So we're taking the subway right now because we're so lazy.
Lazy check.
You can eat there. I got free appetizers. So we're at Bryant Park right now. So we're gonna do another batch of content shoot. That's how we roll over here. Just keep working. It's over there. So we're inside the public library. We want restroom break. And yeah, I like this mirror. It's so big. So we're bored, so we're going to a freaking thrift store. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to afford them because we're in New York and people here are rich, so
Yeah, pala yun. I'm gonna buy 5 things, watch. Psych!
you don't have money for it.
Watch me not buy anything.
Yeah, me too. I think we're probably not gonna be able to buy anything. We're just gonna waste our time there.
Where they're gonna walk into the thrift store, look around for like a half hour and not buy anything.
Yeah, it's called window shop. Where are we right now?
We are at Ruby's Cafe in the East Village. Australian food. It's literally burgers.
I don't even know what I'm gonna eat here, so let's see.
Get the Malibu bowl. The Malibu bowl is so good.
This is all drinks.
Oh yeah, you're 21. Or
I'm not
18.
20. I'm 18. So what did you get? So we got a fried chicken burger, both of us.
He's such a copier.
You're the one who copied me.
Oh, I didn't. You copied me.
I ordered.
Like I'm an influencer.
I ordered first, and then we got side of fries. So let's see. Hopefully it's good.